Have you ever wondered who might be observing you with wide, unblinking eyes in the dead of night? Deep in the dense forests of Southeast Asia, a tiny but formidable predator stirs as the sun sets. This is the tarsier, often called nature's nighttime ninja, due to its remarkable adaptations to a life veiled in darkness. The tarsier, a mere handful in size, is a master of the night. Its home, a lush and intricate web of trees and underbrush, provides not just shelter but a hunting ground. Here the tarsier thrives, preying on insects and small animals, a critical player in the delicate balance of its ecosystem. With eyes larger than its brain, the tarsier sees the world in a way humans can only imagine. This visual prowess is crucial for spotting prey and navigating through the foliage under the cover of night. Its life, a silent ballet of jumps and sprints, is a spectacle of survival and agility. Meet the tarsier, a creature whose life unfolds under the cloak of darkness. Imagine having eyes so large that if humans shared the same ratio, our eyes would be as big as grapefruits. In the enveloping quiet of the forest night, the tarsier thrives, its eyes glowing like twin moons in the dim light. These aren't just large eyes, they are the largest relative to body size of any mammal on Earth. This remarkable adaptation isn't merely a quirk of evolution, but a crucial survival tool in the perpetual twilight of their habitat. The eyes of a tarsier are so developed that they are fixed in their skulls. They cannot move them like we do. Instead, they have an incredibly flexible neck, able to rotate their heads almost 360 degrees, giving them a panoramic view of their surroundings. This is vital for tracking the faintest movements in the underbrush, movements that could signify a meal. These extraordinary eyes are packed with an unusually high number of rods, the photoreceptors in the eye that are sensitive to low light. This adaptation allows the tarsier to see in conditions that would be pitch black to other creatures. Their night vision is so sharp that they can discern and capture tiny insects in the dark, insects that form the bulk of their diet. Furthermore, the large size of their eyes helps in gathering more light, enhancing their ability to see in the dark even more. This is crucial because tarsiers are strictly nocturnal. Daylight can actually be harmful to their sensitive eyes. During the day, they seek refuge in dense foliage, coming out only when the sun sets and their visual prowess can be fully utilized. With eyes evolved not just to see but to dominate the dark, the tarsier misses nothing. Their vision is a finely tuned instrument perfected over millennia, turning these small creatures into formidable nocturnal hunters. In the quiet of the night, where most of us would find ourselves blind, the tarsier sees a world alive with possibilities. Silence is golden, especially when you are a hunter in the night. In the dark, dense forest where every leaf rustle could signify danger, the tarsier thrives, a master of stealth and silence. This tiny primate, no larger than a human hand, moves with a grace and quiet that is almost ghostly, making it one of the most effective nocturnal hunters. The secret to the tarsier's silent movement lies in its remarkable physical adaptations. Its fur, soft and velvety to the touch, helps muffle the sound of its movements, allowing it to glide unseen through the trees. But it's not just the fur that aids in its stealth. The tarsier's fingers are padded with soft, fleshy tips, which cushion each delicate step it takes on the branches. These natural silencers are crucial for a creature whose survival depends on its ability to sneak up on its prey. The hunting technique of the tarsier is a fascinating display of precision and timing. With its large adaptive eyes, the tarsier spots its prey from a distance. Then, in a sudden burst of motion that is over almost before it begins, it leaps. This leap is not just a display of agility but a calculated move executed with surgical precision. The tarsier captures insects, spiders, and even small birds and lizards, seizing them in a matter of milliseconds. Despite its diminutive size, the tarsier is a formidable predator. Its ability to remain nearly silent and unseen makes it a terror to the small creatures that make up its diet. In the dense foliage, where sound travels quickly and every predator is only a rustle away, the tarsier's silence is its greatest weapon. In the quiet of the night, the tarsier reigns supreme, a silent assassin of the small and unsuspecting. This incredible hunter, equipped with its natural stealth technology, continues to thrive in the shadows, a true master of silence in the wild. What if you could jump 40 times your own body length? Imagine the sheer capability of darting from one point to another with the grace and precision of a seasoned athlete. This is not the plot of a new superhero movie, but rather a day in the life of the tiny but mighty tarsier. The tarsier, a diminutive primate inhabiting the dense forests of Southeast Asia, possesses an extraordinary ability that seems almost mythical. These creatures can make leaps of up to 40 times their body length. To put this into perspective, if humans had the same jumping prowess, a person 6 feet tall could effortlessly clear a distance of 240 feet in a single bound. That's about the length of 3/4 of a football field. Now, what makes these astonishing leaps possible? At the heart of the tarsier's jumping superpower are its incredibly strong hind limbs and uniquely elongated tarsal bones. The tarsal bones in their feet are adapted to provide maximum leverage and power, acting like coiled springs ready to unleash energy at a moment's notice. Moreover, the muscle distribution in the tarsier's legs is finely tuned for this purpose. The muscles are not just strong, they are also fast, allowing for rapid contraction that results in explosive power. This power is crucial, not just for getting around, but for survival. In the dense forest, mobility means everything. It's about catching prey and evading predators, and every leap could mean the difference between life and death. Additionally, the tarsier's lightweight body structure plays a significant role. Weighing as little as 80 to 160 grams, their light bodies make it easier to achieve such impressive aerial feats without the burden of heavy weight, allowing for swift, agile movements through the air. In the realm of the tarsier, every leap is a calculated flight, every branch a new hunting ground. Not all conversations need to be heard by everyone. In the quiet rustle of the night forest, the tarsier engages in its own form of secretive dialogue. This tiny nocturnal predator communicates in a range of high-pitched sounds, undetectable by human ears. These ultrasonic calls serve a vital purpose in the life of a tarsier. Tarsiers use these frequencies to talk to their mates and offspring without drawing the attention of predators. The ability to communicate above the range of human hearing and most other forest creatures ensures their conversations remain confidential. It's an evolutionary marvel that enhances their survival in the dense, predator-filled jungles. The pitch of these sounds is so high, in fact, that it is akin to the tarsier whispering secrets into the night air. This method of communication is not just about staying hidden, it's also about clarity. These high frequencies travel well through the dense foliage, allowing messages to be transmitted over considerable distances without losing their integrity. Moreover, these ultrasonic whispers help in coordinating with one another when navigating the complex arboreal landscape or during hunting expeditions. It's a sophisticated system where each pitch and tone could mean something different, from signaling danger to expressing comfort or coordinating movements during a hunt. Even in their whispers, there is a language of life heard only by those meant to hear it. As we peer into the life of the tarsier, we uncover more than just a survival story. This diminutive primate, with eyes like glowing orbs and a penchant for silence, is a testament to the intricacies of evolution. Each feature of the tarsier, from its disproportionately large eyes to its ability to leap with precision, has been honed by millennia of adaptation to a nocturnal lifestyle. Imagine the dense foliage of the forest at night, a world where darkness reigns supreme. Here the tarsier thrives, navigating this shadowy realm with an ease that belies its small stature. Its large eyes are not just for show, they are a crucial adaptation, capturing even the faintest glimmers of light, allowing it to detect prey and predators alike. But the tarsier's marvels don't stop at vision. Its ability to leap, almost as if in defiance of gravity, speaks volumes about the muscular and skeletal adaptations that have evolved over time. These leaps are not just movements, they are calculated strategies for survival, each jump a silent ballet in the dark. Reflecting on the tarsier's life, we see a broader narrative unfold, a narrative of biodiversity and the specialized niches that each creature fills. This tiny primate, a master of the night, reminds us of the delicate balance of ecosystems and the vital roles each organism plays. In the tarsier's eyes, in its silent leaps, we see the marvels of evolution and the intricate tapestry of life. What other secrets does nature hold, waiting just beyond our sight?